Jason here. Today I'm going to show you the One Button Studio Plus version 3 by StudioMatic. It's hard to believe that we've been at this for going on 4 years now. Time has gone by fast, but it's been a lot of fun. It's been exciting. And the really cool thing about our systems is that they're all inclusive in the sense that we give you everything you need to turn a small room into an automated presentation broadcasting studio. So let's check it out. This is what it looks like when the user walks into the room. They have an on-screen display here that tells them to load their presentation and then insert the USB drive to begin. So the user has access to this keyboard and mouse for controlling the presentation computer over here, and they would load that with a thumb drive here or pull it down from the web, whatever the case may be. I've got a presentation already on here, so I will just go ahead and go full screen on that, like so. Now I've got my handy dandy thumb drive here. I'm going to load it in and you can see what happens. Waiting for USB drive to mount, and now it's mounted. And while that happened, the Reflect Media light ring went on and our Fiilex P360 studio lights turned on. So these are, you know, I geek out about this stuff a little bit, but these are really great studio lights because you can tune them to match the existing room lighting. So we can dial in the correct color temperature for your room and just make the skin tones look really good. Another thing we've done with version 3 is to upgrade our camera here. We're using the BirdDog PF120, which just has a really nice image, better optics. We're also using an Edelkrone Flex Tilt head here, which makes it much more convenient to adjust the angle and the tilt of the camera when you're setting the system up. So it's these little details that really make a big difference. The user is given instructions every step of the way so that it's really easy to use this system. So configure your video with the control panel, start and stop recording with the floor button. So this is our upgraded control panel here. So we've got some basic options like background selection. So if I click through that button repeatedly, it'll just cycle through all the various background options. Watermark selection. And you can see that behind the instructions there. I've got a few options including nothing. I'll just leave it on the Mimo Live logo. So when you set this up at your school or business, you will have the option of putting in whatever watermarks you want, whichever backgrounds you want, as many or as few as you want to have available to the end user. The camera position, this toggles through 3 different zoom settings so that you can pick the one that fits the presenter the best. Horizontal flip. Now, as you can see, it doesn't work very well when you're wearing a t-shirt that has writing on it. So that's the one downside, but it is pretty nice to be able to have that option. Presentation position, it just moves the presentation around the screen to 5 different positions depending on where you may want it. The presentation source, so this is new in that if a presenter really wants to bring in a laptop or some other presentation source of their own, you can plug it right in and hit this button and it will go to that source. In this case, I don't have anything plugged in, so thus this message. I'm going to flip it back to our default presentation source. If somebody wanted to come in and just do something really quick, shoot against the blank wall, they can certainly do that as well just by turning the green screen off. I'm going to turn it back on in our case. Also, there's the option of just turning the presentation off. If you're going to wing it, do something quick. So there we go. We'll get back to our desired presentation position. And as you can see, you can review the last thing that you've recorded. There is also a built-in demo video that you can play at any time that will show you how the system works. And there you go. You can record start stop from here, as well as using the floor button. So those are our basic functions. They're all laid out. They're really easy to figure out. So let's step back here. Here I'm going to step on the floor button. We get a recording countdown. Okay, now we're recording. And here's another cool thing about version 3 is we actually have a recording light that comes on, so there's no doubt about when the recording is happening. I'm going to give you a brief view of the digital light board. This is an add-on, so this doesn't come with the basic system, but it's just really cool in that you can write and draw right over the top of the video. I could actually give myself some hair. Which side should I part my hair on? Man, looks good. Anyway, you get the idea. It's a lot of fun. There's built-in colors, built-in pen sizes, some different things you can do here, 4 levels of undo. Anyway, really cool. Digital light board. So we've been recording for a couple of minutes. We've got our remote here so that we can click through our presentation. So I'm going to finish this recording. Boom, there we go. So now we get instructions to do one of 3 things. We can review our video. We can record again. Or we can remove the drive. So to review the video, we would just hit the button here on the panel and watch what we've been doing. And we can stop that at any time. And when we're done, we're happy with what we've done, we can pull the thumb drive and the system resets to its beginning state, ready for the next user. And of course, we would also close out our presentation here when we're done. So yeah, and it includes the lights, the hardware for the drop ceiling, the microphone, the acoustic panels as well. These are recycled water bottles primarily. They do a great job of absorbing the reflection in the room, so it makes a big difference in the audio. So we also have some of that in the ceiling. And of course, microphone placement is paramount for good audio, and the closer, the better. So there you have it, the One Button Studio Plus version 3 by StudioMatic. Boom, right here.